1, 2. Microphone check. Stairs up. Alright. All that sound. Alright, big up on yourself. Alright, so first of all, anyone I'm going to represent, me have to welcome the Father, yeah? By the way, I'm a Christian artist. Hardcore, I represent Almighty God, Jesus Christ Messiah. Ask for his coverage, and I pray that he will be with you when you're going out and you're coming in, yeah? Never do it. My name is Danica. Yeah? Listen. You see the streets, so listen. No, me and power in Jesus Christ of Nazareth. That's why we split when it come up and me cigarette. But he is a temple and no time for me burial. He is in the salt of me dirt from under me left. Satan is a liar, he will not leave no opposite. In the name of Jesus, I am not going to push him. On the rock, it is a road to order. What's the matter? You say me yes. You say me careful. Nobody else than him. Jesus Christ.